What's going on, everybody? It's me, Crispy Marcus. Anyways, it's been a long time since I picked this thing up anyways. So today, you see the title, you see the thumbnail, I'm gonna get straight into it. I bought a Chevrolet Camaro after like 3 years of Dodge Charger ownership, back to back. Because if you haven't been following, I had a Dodge Charger, another Dodge Charger, a Dodge Challenger, a Dodge Charger, a Dodge Charger, and then a Camaro. So I bought a Chevrolet Camaro after all that, and I'm here to tell you today why you should make that same switch as well and buy yourself a Chevrolet Camaro. Reason number one is because this is something that you'll never get tired of hearing. You guys cannot look at me and tell me that you would ever get tired of hearing that cold start each and every single day. But reason number two, which hopefully I don't make anybody mad with this reason, but it's because you actually feel like you're driving a performance car whenever you are behind the wheel of it, because it's actually got an actual like flat bottom steering wheel, which I freaking love. That was my biggest gripe with all of my Mopar cars that I've ever had, was that it didn't have like an actual like small steering wheel. Like it felt like almost like I was driving like a bus almost. But like from the gauge clusters to the steering wheel to just everything about this car, it actually makes you feel like you're driving a performance car. It makes you feel like you're in what you're in, you know? And the third reason is because you cannot tell me that you can find another sports car pushing the amount of power that this car does for the price that you can get these for. Even though I know in a lot of areas the car prices are just ridiculous, I got this for a pretty good deal. Let me know down below if you want to know like what I purchased the car for versus like what they gave me for the Charger, and like a breakdown of like what I pay monthly, because obviously I'm financing this car. I didn't purchase it outright or nothing like that. I can make an explanation, like a detailed explanation, if you guys want, but you cannot tell me that you can get something better than this for the price. The scat packs were all like 10K, 15K more expensive. And then even though this may be a little biased, you cannot tell me that there's a single car that looks better than this car on the road today. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Is the amount of customizability that you have straight from factory on these cars. It's crazy. Like, I'm gonna show you guys, for those of you who may not know or who have never looked into Camaros before. First, the amount of trim levels that they have is insane. But look, let's click on the 2SS. Look at the amount of seat colors that you have. You can get the normal basic jet black. You can get this ash gray color that I have in my cars right now, which I think is absolutely beautiful. Or you can also choose to get this color, this like brownish color, or this red seats, which every Mopar owner ever seems to have. Or you can also get this white seat. The customizability factor and like just the ability to be a little bit different is a big reason why I bought this car. Because if you look at every single Mopar ever on the road, like all of them look the same, and that was something that I was tired of doing. I was tired of having a Charger that looked exactly like any other Charger on the road. Even though, yes, it's just a Camaro SS, it's something that you don't see like as regular everyday traffic all the time, you know? So anyways, hopefully you enjoyed. I know it's been a while since I picked up a camera. Lots of life shit's been happening. I hope I didn't make this video too awkward. Anyways, I love each and every one of you guys. This has been me, Marcus. Peace. The big thing that I didn't even mention, the 1LE package. as I'm saying, these cars have so much more customizability than Dodges, I can say. I've never looked into Mustangs as far as customizability standpoint, but as far as Dodges, these are so much more customizable. So go order one, because even brand new, look at that. That ain't bad. That ain't a bad price. Review of this thing coming soon. Anyways, peace.